We're going to be making traditional ginger sweet vinegar pig trotters today. Scrape and remove the skin from 2.5 pounds of ginger. You will need to blanch 10 pounds of pig trotters twice. Cut the ginger into 2 to 3 inch pieces and flatten the ginger so that the flavor will come out. Bring the water to a boil for the pig trotters. Once you see it bubbling and there's things floating on top, pour it out. Rinse it with cold water and remove any fine hairs that you find. Sauté the ginger in the wok on high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and continue to sauté until the ginger starts to dry up. Add the pig trotters and continue to sauté to remove excess water from the trotters. Add 2 tablespoons of rice cooking wine and continue to sauté. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and continue to sauté for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and continue to sauté for 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and continue to sauté. Add 1 jar, which is 2.4 liters, of BRAISE sweetened vinegar. Now the brand must be BRAISE. Mix everything together really well and braise for 2 hours. Make sure that you check and stir every 10 minutes so that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. After 1 hour of braising with the lid on, you will notice that the trotters are turning darker. After 2 hours of braising, you will notice that the trotters have softened and that the color is now dark and rich. You will need to hard boil 20 to 30 eggs and peel and wash them and then add them to your pot. Stir gently to make sure not to break the eggs. Bring the liquid to a boil and then you're going to transfer all of that into ceramic or glass containers. Store the containers in the refrigerator. When you are ready to eat, boil it up and enjoy.